ginger beef shallot roast or ginger beef shallot roast casserole, one of the tastiest of the beef roast recipes and one of the most unique of the beef stew recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the beef recipes and one of the most delicious of the grilled recipes and one of the most unique of the ginger root recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the shallot recipes and one of the most delicious of the ginger beef recipes. Today we're going to make ginger beef shallot casserole. We have taken around 250 grams of beef which we have cut into pieces and cleaned thoroughly. Ingredients are around 25 to 30 shallots, 1 spoon of cumin seeds, 15 grams of garlic, salt to taste, 30 grams of ginger, and 1 tomato cut into pieces. I'm pouring 10 to 20 ml of oil. Let the oil get heated. Put in the cumin seeds. Put in the garlic. Salt. Thoroughly. Keep on sauteing. Put in the shallots. Salt thoroughly. Put in salt to taste. Salt the shallots and the garlic and mix in the salt with the mixture. Keep on sauteing. Ginger, salt the ginger thoroughly with the shallots and the rest of the mixture. Salt the ginger thoroughly. Keep on sauteing until the shallots lose their pinkish color and the ginger loses its hot taste. Thoroughly saute mix. Quarter spoon of turmeric powder, and a spoon of chili powder, and a spoon of mixed spices. Mix thoroughly. Put in the beef pieces. Keep on sauteing. Thoroughly saute mix. Put in the tomato pieces. Thoroughly mix. Mix thoroughly for 4 to 5 minutes. Now close and let the mixture cook for 5 to 10 minutes so that the water comes out of the beef. Open, salt and mix. Now the water has come out of the beef pieces. Let the mixture cook for around 120 minutes. Add water if necessary. Close and cook. Close and cook. Cooking for the required time. Put in some curry leaves. Mix and let it cook for a minute. Ginger beef shallot casserole or ginger beef shallot roast is ready and can be taken off the flame and served. final ginger beef shallot roast or ginger beef shallot casserole, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the beef recipes and one of the most unique of the ginger root recipes and one of the most delicious of the unique beef recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the shallot recipes, one of the most different of the roast recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.